We're going really ambitious on climate action and sustainability. Our goals are to achieve 100% renewable electricity citywide by 2035, not that far away. And so they gave me a lot of leeway to just innovate on new programs and different ways to approach things. We are installing LED streetlights that off the bat save energy, and then we're adding sensors to them. App developers, startup companies can all figure out how to tap into that data. If you could track where cars are and where parking is, you can provide a lot of really fast information to users about where they could park quickly and not have to circle around. The end game for smart cities is, it sounds very technical, but it's really about just serving our customers better. You know, in sustainability, I think for me, the trick has always been to say yes to everything. If something sounds interesting, pursue it. You quickly become an expert. The challenge I hear a lot is if people can't imagine it themselves, they assume it can't be done. There's so many options if you're willing to explore them. Do an accounting of what your assets are and what works for your city and your culture, and build off of that and find your champions.